Third Creek is located in Swan Valley, Idaho, and is a tributary to Rainy Creek, which is one of the 4 major tributaries to the South Fork of the Snake River. Rainy Creek, like the other South Fork tributaries, is an important spawning tributary for native Yellowstone cutthroat trout. And as a productive spring creek, Third Creek has relatively stable flows and has the potential to be great spawning and rearing habitat for Yellowstone cutthroat trout. Unfortunately, through decades of farming and grazing practices, erosion, and an undersized culvert, Third Creek has become full of sediment, over-widened to an average of 24 feet wide, and warm with temperatures near lethal limits for trout. In the fall of 2018, Idaho Fish and Game collaborated with landowners to resolve these issues on the lower half mile of Third Creek. The undersized 1-foot diameter culvert was replaced with a 6-foot diameter culvert, which is large enough for the creek to flow through and allow aquatic and terrestrial passage. Channel widths were narrowed to 5 to 7 feet with an average 0.18% grade. A meandering channel with a riffle pool run habitat was restored, including 53 meander pools. Wetland sod from on-site was brought in on the new banks. Gravel to restore riffle was used from on-site sources, and large woody debris was brought in to secure pools and provide additional cover for fish. Approximately 6,000 willows were planted to stabilize the banks and provide shade. Future surveys are planned to see if stream temperature has decreased and if Yellowstone cutthroat trout use the restored area for spawning and rearing habitat.